Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, Tuesday, the 8th of October 2013. You're watching the daily chart at the moment. Yesterday, it was not much action to tell in terms of any possibilities of buying in lower prices and trying to find new high levels of in areas where we can actually take advantage of selling the currency and get as much profit as possible. But it's something that we have to take into consideration, and is this several signs that we see they're still around, and they still helping the currency to be bullish and to keep the bullish momentum. As you can see, this P formation is something that we have to take on board and give the currency the opportunity to give us more positive signs in order to find the best patterns to buy and go with the uptrend that potentially can happen anytime soon. And what I'm saying potentially and anytime soon is because the situations we see in the other multiple time frames show us that there is a high possibility that if we break the 139, the next higher low, either 60 minutes or 240 minute chart, can take us over and can take us to prices around 145 mark. Now back into what is concerned in terms of intraday. This is the 240 minute chart. As you can see, this is the entire consolidation that we've been seeing for the last couple of days after the biggest sell-off in the history of second biggest sell-off in history of Bitcoin after that incident that it happened. Well, this is what we have right now. We see the currency, or the price actually, riding the SMA 200, and it's using it as a support in order to possibly break up, and this area is the main area that we have to break up. 139 is the mark for the price to try to hit, create new prices, new high prices, and the next higher low, it should take the currency above this particular consolidation. And why no, we can visit these areas right now, which is something that we have to take into consideration for the next available patterns if we decide to go long. Now, if that doesn't happen, we need to see the currency go downwards and have a pullback that it can break the areas around 132 and actually 134 could be the first area it should be take into consideration for the next lower highs. And after that, the currency can actually try to visit these particular areas, which are something that we have to take into consideration. And the last resort, well, the last opportunity for this particular downtrend, in case that it happens, is a possible lower high, and that lower high can take us to these particular areas around. This is something that we have to take into consideration in case the currency decide not to follow the trend and go downwards instead of upwards. And last but not least, I want to show you the 3-day chart that is still showing us an amazing momentum that the currency is having. Look, this is the weekly chart. This is the higher low that is still active, and it's a very good sign that we still have bullish momentum for the currency. But this is the 3-day chart that right now is still with positive signals that we might break this entire area and we can go towards 144, which is the bodies of this particular formation. Even the top tails, which are the main resistance, and they are on 145.81. Well, we're gonna keep track on every opportunity we have, and we share it with you guys on by our Twitter account or our live signal, our streaming service that we have. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. Goodbye.